Gitna pa.
Regroup, my crown. Take southeast, a little bit southeast. Keep walking southeast. Walking southeast, keep walking southeast, keep walking southeast.
Pull up na sila.
Huwag lang. Keep walking southeast, a little bit southeast. May choke ba dito? O, see. O, see. Keep walking southeast, Southeast, more southeast, no southwest. Southwest. Wait, walk southeast. Yung mga naiwan, southeast. Wrap around. Yung mga naiwan, southeast. Regroup ang may crown. Sige lang. Keep walking. Pinch up. Pass cut daw lalun.
Gila na, sa up the hill sila.
Sige lang, keep walking.
Ito na, meron ditong ano. Hindi ko makita eh. Kupel eh.
Keep walking. Wala naman bomb. Keep walking west. Walk with the crown. Pinch up. Keep walking west. Straight west. Okay, so we left. Straight west.
North side sila.
Lang, straight west. West. Wait, no, southeast. Sino nag-quake pa? Balik. Wait, hold.
Going west.
Hold.
Nasa atin yung brawler.
Sige lang.
Nirarap around tayo.
West side.
Ito si Bunny sa atin, ah.
West.
Wait. Take north. Keep walking north. Ipotong din natin. Keep walking north. No, west. Pinch up. No west. Pinch up. Keep walking west. Don't drop fuse yet. Keep walking. Now look south. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. South now. Now go back northeast. Don't let them brawl you. Go back north. Northeast. Keep walking. Cooldowns. So many cooldowns. Stay north. North. Huwag kayo mag-queue. No, west. Keep walking west. Heal up. Keep walking west. Now look. Wait. Keep walking west. Now look. East side. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. East now. East. Damage. Now walk south. Keep walking south.
Si Bunny, looking sa atin si Bunny ha. Sa atin mag-engage yan. Si Bunny yung nasunod sa atin.
Saan ba? Ito? Sige lang, keep walking. Now walk north. Looking sila. Walk north. Giga and walk north.
Wala, uli ako.
Giga and walk north. Keep walking north. Now east. Regroup my crown.
Pahil naman.
Pila. Clerical. Now look on the ground. East on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Puta humid ba? Giga pats. Patay si Yosora. Keep walking north. Keep walking north. Spread north. East. Spread east. Wait up. Spread. Hold now. Keep walking. Keep fighting east. Bunny looking. Any deals. Nice ending. Now look on the ground west. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now. Damage. Where's my damage? Nice kill. Sige lang. Walk north. Huwag nyo tambayin yung body, gago. Walk north. Kill nyo to. Gucci to.
Naglalag.
Sige lang. Wait. Walk north. Northeast. Hold. Bunny on us. Cleric. Tangin na namatay si Princess. Keep walking west. Keep going west. On the ground. East. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. East.
Gago, layo nung...
Naipit sa puno. Keep going west. West now. Keep going west. Hold on. This is Nekoy. Two engages rin sila. Walk east. Now walk west. 5 seconds west. Ready now, west. West in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now. We get damage. Walk north. Keep walking north. And spread. Now south. Walk south and spread. South. Now west. My crown. Look for my crown. Keep going west. 5 seconds. We're going to engage north. 5 seconds. Hug the walls. Keep going west. Northwest by the wall. Keep going. Now look. On the crown now. North in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the crown. Headbutt. Now walk north.
Pero big lang po ng damage.
Walk north. East. Spread east. Wait. Stabilize. Hold now. 10 seconds. We're going to engage again. Walk southwest. Hold on ground. My crown. Ready? Now walk northwest. Look northwest deep in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Northwest. Keep going northwest. Keep going. Walang engage dyan. Kill that one. Yan isa. Loot up. Looting nyo yan. Now hold. Inch up my crown. Hold my crown. Looking sa atin looking. Walk north. My crown. Defensive. Cleric. Now walk west. Look west in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West. Damage, please. Walk south. Pass them and spread. Spread kayo. Spread. Walk west. Sinabol kayo ni Bunny. West. Hold. Nasa inyo si Bunny. Sa inyo west. Dito, west ko. Look on the crown. North in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Huge. Damage.
Siya tala.
Panalo tayo, pre.
10 pa pala.
Say, walk south. Away from the skull.
Kailangan ko lang ng heal.
Away from the skull mark. Now look south. Wait. Keep walking east. By the wall. Now look southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Damage? Hello? Sige lang. Keep going west. This is the back line. Keep going west. Southwest. A little bit southwest. My crown. Puta na, priest pa ako. Keep going southwest. Yo! My crown. Hold my crown. Nasaan yung iba? Hold my crown. Now look north. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Damage. Now walk west. Now northwest. Keep walking. Wait, west. Keep going west. We're winning. Going west. No, walk north. They're going to engage. Now look west. West in 5. Keep going west. Now look west. West in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On these guys. Damage. Kill the healer. Kill the healer. Keep walking north. Pass the crown. Defensive. Cleric.
Tawad sa akin. Gago.
Cleric. Now walk north. Keep walking north. My crown. Wait. Keep walking north. My crown. Look for my crown. Keep walking north. Ready DPS. Ready. Keep walking northwest. Keep walking northwest.
Hold ko na, like ano. Trip
Sige,
mo.
hold.
Oh, ayun o. Kapal niya, no?
Northwest. Wait, northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest now.
Nice, nakapatay din sa engage.
Keep going west. Kill the guys inside the ball. Eto, 63 to.
Ay, may daw, oh. Oh, bedrock ko yan, oh.
Sige lang.
W po.
Kills and W's. Now walk south. Away from the main circle. South. Now look north.
GG na, GG.
Ang engage ko pa saan eh.
Dami mo kasi ano nilulil
Fix fight lang, ano yan eh. Tawa nga sa akin yung Hans. Tawa sa akin yung Hans, gago.
Kami naman yung power ko ng puta.
Tara, uwi na natin yan. Tapos na eh.
Support na tayo mag-dimas.
Uwi natin yung power core.
Win ba?
Kayo. May dalawa dun oh.